MKBHD's merch is a ripoff. Now, I'm a fan of MKBHD. He's one of the larger YouTubers that I'm still subscribed to. I personally have placed 3 separate orders for his merchandise and his t-shirt, one of which I'm using right now. His merch is not always available to ship, I did notice. What he does is he uses a company called Cotton Now. Based on my user/consumer experience, they wait until there's a certain amount of orders placed before they start producing or shipping or sending them out. Whatever it is, they don't send your order out right when you purchase it, which I find very strange. You take my money up front, but you don't send me my product. I still find it strange. In 2018, about to be 2019, you can't take my money for a shirt and send it to me right away. Weird. Very strange. Today I started going through my Instagram at @fortheloveof_tech. If you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me there. I'm getting more active, I'm posting, I'm connecting with the community like nothing ever before. So come and hang out with me on Instagram. Back to the juicy stuff. The first thing that popped up on my feed was MKBHD selling these matte black everything Apple AirPods. Now, I'm a fan of MKBHD. Like I said, I'm wearing his merch. I watch his channel. I respect everything he's built. But everyone was mad that he posted up matte black everything Apple AirPods for $400 a piece. You heard me correct. $400 for a set of Apple AirPods that only cost $159, $179 with tax. Oh my God. 400 bucks. Everybody's flipping out about this, right? So he's selling these custom branded Apple AirPods for 400 bucks. Some background information I want to share with you. Like I said, Apple AirPods cost $159. You can go to colorwear.com and you can see they sell custom Apple AirPods for 349 bucks. So there is a $51 difference between how much the person making these AirPods, because they are colored wear AirPods, versus what they actually cost on the website. There are factors to think about and to consider before we jump to any conclusions. First, did he get a bulk price or a discount when buying these Apple AirPods and making them MKBHD matte black everything? Typically, when you buy something in bulk or in large quantity, you get a discount. You save some money. You're buying it wholesale versus retail, and that would be the difference here. It's typically how business works. What, if any, is there an extra cost for making these custom? Or does Colorwear just make them custom for anyone and then you pay the upcharge? This is what I'm wondering. Do they pay more to Colorwear, or does he pay less? These are factors we just don't know, which is why we just can't jump the gun. As much as I want to be on the side of the consumers, of the people, of the subscribers and viewers and say, yes, that's an outrage, I'm thinking to myself, is it really an outrage? Or is this just business? Next thing to consider, like his t-shirts, right? His t-shirts you have to order. They wait a certain period of time, or they wait until a certain amount are sold, and then they ship you your merchandise. Now, I don't know what the deal is there, but that's what happens. As of today, right now, 4 p.m. Eastern time, they have sold 10 $400 Apple AirPods, and they have 10 days left to place additional orders. They're not shipping until the 10 days has expired. Now, I'm talking here from experience, not from speculating or wondering what's really gonna happen. I'm telling you, based on my experience of placing 3 separate orders for 3 different shirts from MKBHD, this is what happens. They place the order, take your money, hold it, and then they ship it later. I think that's kind of strange. Weird. They cost $400. Let's be real. His t-shirts cost 30 bucks. That's by no means the most expensive t-shirt I've ever purchased before. However, 30 bucks for a t-shirt is kind of crazy. And to most people, especially a shirt from MKBHD, I have no issues paying this. But I know not everyone is as nutty and crazy as I am. So not everyone's gonna be okay paying 30 bucks a t-shirt. Then later today, I opened up my YouTube community section and found the exact outrage from people there talking about the matte black everything Apple AirPods. I get it. This is a luxury item. It's not mandatory. It's not required. No one's telling you you have to buy it. No one's saying buy this or else. But at the same time, it's like, dang, 400 bucks for a set of Apple AirPods. Is it really worth it? What do you think? Let me know in the description. Is MKBHD being crazy? It's because he is MKBHD. He can charge 400 bucks for a set of Apple AirPods. And so far, 10 people already paid it. Or is it because he is just MKBHD and he has no business selling those for 400 bucks? This is what I'm thinking. I want to know what you guys think. Help me decide. Is this okay? Is this not okay? Personally, my feelings are a little mixed. Not to mention, For the Love of Tech is doing a giveaway. That's correct. In our giveaway, we have a custom Nintendo Switch that is coming from Colorware. So that's something to be mindful of too. We're going to be getting you one of the custom Switches from Colorware. It's going to be a bunch of fun. Link is in the description if you're interested in the giveaway. Closed caption is brought to you by rev.com. That's right, rev.com. Videos that have closed caption typically are more searchable, are more accessible international, and opens up your videos to the American Sign Language community. Big thumbs up for that. In the description below, there is a link that you can click on to get a $10 coupon on your first closed captioning order. MKBHD. Oh hell yes, Matte Black Friday is live. Drop the matte black versions of everything plus discounted shipping. Been waiting for a while for this. Emojis, emojis, emojis. And then he drops the link to his merch, right? Right away, from the very beginning. People are like, $400, why so expensive? Now, he takes the time to actually reply to this comment, which I love. And he says, that's the price we pay Colorware quality. Check their other stuff on their site too. They completely disassemble electronics, paint them, and put them back together. So he's basically justifying, explaining, and educating why these are so expensive. But is it a good enough reason? Let's see what the other people say. $400, that's a joke. Can someone explain how on earth those matte black headphones are 400 bucks? AirPods are like $150 normally. A $250 charge to make them black is ridiculous and kind of a money grab. Someone put 400 super cheap. I picked up a hint of sarcasm there. Next one. These YouTubers are getting out of hand with their pricing. Wow, is he serious? $400? Maybe there's something wrong with my screen. People can barely afford the normal $150 AirPods, and you want to sell $400 ones? And you trolled Apple when they launched it for $150. Keep it real, man. So someone called him out for trolling Apple. I don't know whether he did or not, but it says here he did. So we're going to go ahead and head over to the community tab over in YouTube. The outrage is just about the same. The only difference is now they're talking about his $30 t-shirt. Right from the beginning, it's overpriced, 30 bucks. Black Friday should be a discount. That's talking about the t-shirt because there's no Black Friday discount, but he's using Black Friday as a way to push his merch, talking about half off shipping or free shipping, which is kind of strange because he's not really offering a discount on any merchandise or any sale. He's just taking advantage of Black Friday to push this out to people. $30. Do you think we're all tech reviewers? Insinuating a tech reviewer makes a lot of money. I don't make no money, nobody pays me. You make thousands off of our viewership and you charge $30 a t-shirt. MKBHD is high on weed. Seriously, $30 for a t-shirt? For the love of tech, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so now. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. If you didn't like the video, just go away and don't tell me about it. I don't care what you think about my videos. But if you did like the video, stick around and tell me exactly why. That's what I want to hear. Go in your drawers, go in your closet, go in your basement, go in your bathroom closet and pull out those old electronics that no one's using anymore. Dust them up, shine them up, polish them, give them to someone that doesn't have them. And for the love of tech, namaste.